Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you 5 best free video editing application for Mac. If you are looking for a very powerful video editing software for Mac, well, you are in the right place because I'm going to be showcasing you the 5 best free video editing for Mac. If you are a beginner just starting out, or if you are an experienced content creator, this free video will show you everything you need to know about 5 best free video editing software for Mac. So without further ado, let's get started. The number one on our list is OpenShot. Well, the number one on our list is OpenShot. OpenShot software is a cross-platform software that actually works with Blender. It works on Linux, it works on Chrome, it works on Windows, and it works on Macintosh. And one thing about this software is it is 100% free, and it is an open source software. And this software allows you to design a very powerful video, and it is very good when it comes to animation. I told you before that it works with Blender, and the keyframing too is very important. And when it comes to animation and keyframing, you should know that your slide, your animated, you can edit it unlike any other video editing software. You can trim and slice it, have a lot of video effects, you can edit some little audio waves, have a slow motion and time effect. And one thing that I love about this editing software is that it has a 3D animation, which makes you to design a very beautiful 3D animated titles, effects, and so on. So the latest version that so far is 3.0. Check out this link in the description below for you to see how to download this software. The second on the list is Shotcut. Shotcut is also an open free cross-platform video editor, which is very good, and it have some features that are very powerful. Its panel is very good. As you know, sometimes it looks like Premiere, and looks like Wondershare Mura, and it has a black magic design, and they have HDMI for input. That is, if you want to preview into your monitor, make it a screen webcam. It also have an audio capture. This software is very good, and its newest version is 22.12. and one thing about the people that created this software is that regularly they do update the software. Shotcut was of course it was created in 2004. So, and they even have it here that the Creative Company Multimedia Framework, FFmpeg, WebM are some of the software projects that are used in Shotcut. So you can really give it a try. It is 100% free. So the third on the list is iFilm Express. Well, for me personally, I never knew that iFilm Express is also a cross platform software until when I was making my research. And one thing about this software is that it is a astounding software that have a lot of visual effects, and you can even use it for your very powerful video editing. Have a lot of VFX, and it is really great. And it also have a built-in tutorial, that is, if you don't know how to use this software and if you want to learn more, you can see a built-in tutorial there. And you can work with your marks, that is, you can edit an object out from the background, you can stabilize your image and have a chroma key. Over 400 templates are in there for this 8 film express. You can really create a very visual stunning effect. You can really try this software out. If you love this video, please consider to subscribe. Number 4 on the list is an iMovie. Well, this is the first one that actually came to my mind when it comes to Mac, because iMovie has been there for Mac OS. It is a very clean software. I've been using it. It's on phone, it's on your system, and also it's also a cross-platform, I guess, but it is majorly for iMovie. Apple rather, Mac. So you can use it to edit your title, you can make some powerful transition, and then your video, your color grading is good, and it's a very powerful software. It also have some effect that comes with it, and then they are really updating, and they are absolutely doing absolutely well. You can really try this software, and you can learn more on how to use iMovie's software. So the 5th on the list is DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve has been used to edit a lot of professional video, as the one you are seeing on screen here. Very good for color grading. It is absolutely good, and one thing about it is have a modern interface, which is very easy to learn for users, and it is created by the Blackmagic designs, good for your color grading. And DaVinci is free, and it also has its own paid version, because this software is absolutely a master of itself. Have a very 3D depth, it have a very color grading features, and other video editing too, that you can really see in other advanced priced video editor. You can still use some of them in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. So these are the 5 best free video editing software for Mac. If you love this video, give it a thumb up, like this video, comment, and you subscribe to this channel. I'm going to see you in the next video.